going on, guys? Today we have a 2019 Ford 5.0. We're going to do the full front end, fully wrapped, bulk installation. We're getting ready to do the full hood. Before we did all this, obviously we prepared it. We foam washed it. We're claying it. We're going to clay it one last time. And now we're getting the film ready to install. And we're going to wrap all of this with as much edges as possible. Full hood is going to get wrapped, full fender, bumper, and the mirrors. So if you have a Ford Mustang, a brand new Ford Mustang, I recommend that you guys do this from the very beginning. Paint protection film is going to definitely block out all the rock chips from not damaging your paint. The customer already got one or two, and he said that was enough. So he definitely didn't want any more rock chips. All right, so now that we got all of that off, it said clay bar. As you guys can see, we removed the scoops too. So like that, when the film it's applied underneath, and you won't see a seam right here. So again, we remove the scoops on both sides. So like that, the film is underneath, and then we're gonna cut out the little screws and then put the scoop back on. But it's gonna look seamless when you see the scoops already applied on it. And the same thing with the 5.0. We remove right here where it says 5.0. So like that. Again, when we put the fender, it's going to be seamless. You're not going to see the outline as if we were to do it with the plotter. There we go. One big full piece to do a little custom wrap on the hood right here. I'm going to tack it right here first. All right, so we're almost done with the bumper. Like I always said, bumper is always very fundamental for you guys to apply the paint protection on here. So as you can see, it's a very thick film. This will add a sacrificial layer on top of your paint. So all the damages will happen on the film instead of your actual paint. So it's very crucial you guys apply paint protection film on the full front, how we're doing to this Ford Mustang. So we're gonna wrap it up. That side, we already installed it. We're just finishing up here, stretch just a little bit more here. As you can see, I stretched some of the edges so I could wrap it and make it as seamless as possible like we always do. So we're just gonna wrap it up and then move on to the fenders. All right, so we wrapped it up. We're done with the bumper. I just wanted to showcase how we extended the edge here. So the point of it is for us to wrap it like that. As you can see, it's gonna be edgeless. You won't see where the fender line, you won't see where the bumper line ends because it is wrapped inside. We're gonna do the same thing with the fender. Wrap it inside here, wrap it inside here, and towards the doors. Right, so the fender's pretty easy, but just wanted to showcase how we extended the edges on the wheel well. Right here, where the engine, and then towards the door, we're always extended it there too, and just a little bit here so I could tuck it. But I'm going to show you guys the installation, and of course we removed the 5.0 that was there. So like that, there is no seams. That's the extra edge that we added. See, little 1/2 inch that I'm going to tuck inside afterwards. It's going to look real nice. Especially on light color vehicles like this, you want to do that. So like that, the dirt doesn't show that much. Just a matter of lining it up here. So now I'm going to tuck in. I'm going to tuck all the edges once this thing dries up. Done. 2019 Ford Mustang, full hood, full fender, bumper. The headlights were already blacked out, so we didn't put paint protection film on the headlight, but we did put it on the rear view mirrors. So this is the package that I always recommend for you guys, that to get it as soon as possible, because with the rock chips, it's not a matter of if, it's when you're gonna get that first rock chip. And then once you get it, that's it. It's gonna ruin your paint's finish. So protect it from the very start. Do it like this one, 2019 Ford Mustang. Going home protected with the best paint protection film in the market right now, with as much wrapped edges as possible. And then we detail the rest of the vehicle. So what else can we do to make this thing better? Possibly add ceramic coating on the rest of the vehicle and on the front end. But for now, this is the most crucial thing to get protected with the paint protection film. Maybe later on, he'll decide to do the ceramic coating. But for now, like I said, going home protected with paint protection film. And what's left to do? Nothing but take it outside and see how it looks outside.